An-nyeong. This is your Korean study buddy Sunny. In this video, we will talk about two Korean letters, the consonant Di-geut and the vowel O, and then three expressions containing the syllable block to, consisting of these two letters will follow. Let's start with the letters. Today's consonant Di-geut sounds similar to the English letter T. Interestingly, this letter is derived from another Korean consonant, Ni-eun. When saying these two consonants, your tongue stays in the same position. As you can see, the only difference between Di-geut and Ni-eun is one additional stroke in Di-geut. When writing it, draw a horizontal line first and then write Ni-eun like this. Here is the vowel O. It sounds O, and it is placed under a consonant. When writing it, draw a short vertical line first and then make a long horizontal line. By putting Di-geut and O together, we can make the syllable block Do. It is time to break down three words containing Do. Our first expression is 도토리 기재기. It is an old saying consisting of three parts: 도토리, meaning an icon, 키, meaning height, and 재기, meaning measuring. Hence, this phrase literally translates to icons are measuring their height against each other. Can you guess what it means? The answer is that it figuratively refers to similar people arguing with each other to prove they are better than the other person. So we can use this expression when short friends are insisting that they are taller than the other. If your language has a similar expressions to 도토리 기재기, please comment down below. Our second word is 도. It refers to degree of temperature, degree of angle, and alcohol by volume. Let's have a look at an example of 도, which translates to degree of temperature. If your Korean friend says, 오늘 32도야 너무 더워, it means that today is 32 degrees Celsius, it's too hot. Let's move on to our last word, 도서. This is a formal way of saying the word book. So the word check would be used in casual conversation instead of 도서. Using the word 도서, you can make a Korean word 도서관, meaning library. Just put the affix 관, meaning an institution or a building, right after 도서. Here is an example including the words 도서관 and 책. If your Korean friend says, 책 반납하러 도서관 갔다 올게, it means that I will go to the library to return my books and come back after. This marks the end of today's video. If you have any ideas to improve the video and the channel, don't hesitate to share them with me. Thanks for watching. 안녕.